Okay, perfect timing. This homework helper video is based off of graphing inequalities. So it's fairly simple. A couple things we have to know up front is when we graph inequalities, there are a couple symbols that we use. One is an open circle, and one is a filled-in circle, or a solid circle. And what that means is an open circle means that this is not the answer, but every other number up to that number is. This symbol here means that this number is inclusive of the answer. And I'll show you 4 examples from tonight's homework so we can all understand what's going on. Let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 says x is greater than negative 11. So if I were to find negative 11, it's going to be greater than negative 11. So here's negative 11, and I put a circle on negative 11. And if we take a look at our greater than and less than sign, it pretty much tells us which way the arrow is going to go. So if x is greater than negative 11, so it's every number that is greater than negative 11. As an example, negative 10.999 is greater than 11, so that's an answer as well. So that is an example of a number that is greater than. Here we have x is less than 15. So same kind of thing. I find 15. 15 is right here. It will be an open circle because it does not include 15. And it goes that way. So again, this is 15. Here's our inequality symbol. And you can see the arrowhead is pointing to the left, and so ours is going to as well. Number 3 says x is less than or greater than 12. Well, I find 12, and 12 is right here. Because it says less than or less than or equal to, I make it a solid circle, color it in, and the arrow goes to the left. And then finally, the last one, x is greater than or equal to negative 27. I find negative 27. It's a solid circle. Come on, draw. And the arrowhead goes to the right, so that tells me x is greater than or equal to negative 27. So very simple tonight. Hope it helps.